Welcome dear friends, in this video we are going to solve FIA Assistant Director paper conducted by FPSC in 2006. Who among the following wrote the Communist Manifesto along with Karl Marx? Friedrich Engels. Which one of the following countries is the first country in the world to propose a carbon tax for people to address global warming? New Zealand. Who among the following is considered as the inventor of the World Wide Web WWW? Tim Berners-Lee. Where are the headquarters of the Organization of Islamic Conference OIC located? Jeddah. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Slovenia and Bratislava, because Bratislava is the capital of Slovakia, not Slovenia. Who was the Governor General of India during the Sipahi Mutiny? Lord Canning. Each of the five persons A, B, C, D and E possesses unequal numbers which are less than 10 of similar items. A, B and C possesses 21 items in all, while C, D and E possesses 7 items in all. How many items do A and B possesses in all? 17. Solution to the previous question is given here. In a question paper with 4 multiple choice questions, each with 5 choices and only one correct answer, how many ways can a candidate answer such that not all answers are correct? 624. Solution to the previous question is given here. What is the name of the vessel that delivers nutrient-rich blood from the stomach and small intestine to the liver? Hepatic portal vein. Consider the following statements regarding human body. The common bile duct releases its contents into the stomach. The pancreatic duct releases its contents into the duodenum. Only statement number 2 is correct, while statement number 1 is false. A watch showed the time of 9:14. And the hour and minute hands are exactly interchanged. What is the correct time? 14 minutes to 3. Solution is given. Which one among the following is not a good source of nutritional calcium? Rice. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Pairs number 1 and 2. Pair number 1 say that Christopher Cockrell invented a hovercraft, while David Bushnell invented submarine. Statement number 3 is incorrectly matched because steamship is often attributed to Robert Fulton. 5 balls of different colors are to be placed in 3 different boxes such that any box contains at least 1 ball. What is the maximum number of different ways in which this can be done? 150 ways. Solution is given. All the 6 letters of the name Sachin are arranged to form different words without repeating any letter in any word. The words are then arranged alphabetically. What is the position of the word Sachin in that sequence? 601. Solution is given. 3 dice are rolled. What is the number of possible outcomes such that at least one die shows the number 2? 91. Solution is given. Pakistan successfully tested 6 nuclear devices at Chaghi on May 28, 1998. Pakistan established its first Atomic Energy Institute in March 1956. PAEC is the abbreviation of Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission. Who was the first chairman of PAEC? Dr. Nazir Ahmad. Who set up Pakistan Institute of Science and Technology at Nellore near Islamabad? Dr. I.H. Usmani. Karachi Atomic Nuclear Plant at Karachi was set up with the help of Canada. CANP stands for Karachi Nuclear Power Plant. When electricity generation from CANP started? In 1972. When Munir Ahmad Khan became chairman of PAEC? 1972. Pakistan negotiated a deal for importing reprocessing plant in 1976. Canadians stopped supplying fuel and spares for CANP in 1976. India detonated its nuclear device in 1974. Which Pakistani scientist obtained his degree in physics from Belgium? Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan. When Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan came back to Pakistan in December 1975, who asked him to start work on an enrichment plant? Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. The work on the enrichment plant began in 1976. KRL stands for Kahota Research Laboratory. Natural uranium is found in all of these, while the most famous in Pakistan for natural uranium is Dera Ghazi Khan in Punjab. When Pakistan announced that it has succeeded in producing weapon-grade uranium, March 1984. Due to US pressure, uranium enriching program was frozen between 1994 and 1998. Which Indian Prime Minister said that BJP government has pushed the country into a nuclear arms race for purely political reasons? Manmohan Singh. CTBT stands for Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. The CTBT forbids nuclear tests or explosions anywhere in all of the above, anywhere on the planet, underground, and in air or undersea. Ali has 5 friends, 3 girls and 2 boys. His wife also has 5 friends, 3 boys and 2 girls. In how many maximum different ways can they invite 2 boys and 2 girls such that 2 of them are Ali's friends and 2 are his wife's? 46. Solution is given. 5 balls of different colors are to be placed in 3 different boxes such that any box contains at least 1 ball. What is the maximum number of different ways in which this can be done? 150. Solution is given. After Russia left Afghanistan, whose government was recognized by UNO? Burhanuddin Rabbani. What would cause a country's exchange rate to fall? Increased demand for its imports. What could a government do to correct the current account deficit? Reduce the deficit on the balance of trade. When the stock market is rising, it is bullish. When the stock market is falling, it is called bearish. Government of Pakistan issues currency on the basis of availability of assets. Which property the paper money does not possess? Durability. Trade between 2 countries can be useful if cost ratios of goods are different. A tariff reduces the volume of trade. Which of the following would cause income to become more unequal? More regressive taxes. Central bank's rate of lending to commercial banks is called discount rate. Palmer Peninsula was discovered by John Remmel. It was named after Nathaniel Palmer, an American sealer who was among the earliest to sight Antarctica, but the detailed exploration is credited to Remmel. Name the first person who located magnetic pole in 1831. Sir James Clark. Name the person who discovered Zambia and Victoria Falls from 1852 to 1873. David Livingstone. RA was established in 1968. RA stands for Research and Analysis Wing, and it is the secret intelligence agency of India. Which street is called the crocodist? Lombard Street in San Francisco. Monumental Axis is situated in Brazil. SSS is the secret agency of Iraq. Highest earning female singer of all time, Madonna. Highest earning entertainer of all time is, back at that time it was Michael Jackson, but currently it is George Lucas. Mount Everest is present in the range of mountains Himalayas. Site means court. Besiege means surround. Bandit means robber. Melee means brawl. Marvelous means wonderful. Icon means statue. Hanker means desire. Condone means pardon. The man lived in the dilapidated house made of mud and bricks. Dilapidated means crumbling. Whatever opinion he gives is sane. Sane means rational. The poem is written in a very lucid style. Lucid means clear. It goes against my grain to be running around the courts for justice. Grain means nature. The workers struck work asking for interim relief. Interim means provisional. He is urbane in his manners. Urbane means genteel. He has won great admiration amongst his students because of his verdant outlook. Verdant means fresh. Antonym of immerse, decenter. Antonym of arrogant, meek. Antonym of astute, foolish. Antonym of panic, serenity. Antonym of legato, uneven. Antonym of cooperation, opposition. Antonym of brilliant, dull. Antonym of tentative, final. Double-decker buses are still extant in some cities. Extant opposite, destroyed. People understand speech in the context of their accumulated experience. Opposite of accumulated, scattered. Even for the citizens of East Bloc's most prosperous nation, the lever of capitalism is irresistible. Opposite of prosperous, impoverished. Many snakes are innocuous. Innocuous opposite, harmful. Never be impulsive in taking decisions. Impulsive opposite, cautious. The primary duty of our countrymen at present should be to curb such social evils. Opposite of curb, encourage. The government empowered itself to attach the assets of all the scam suspects. Opposite of attach, release. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.